Today I'm going to be trying this jalapeno pepper.
The TV stand is
Like chicken inside of it. You tried it? But make sure you like and subscribe. My sister is okay, so let's try. I'm gonna cut it in half.
That is not the worst Rice Krispie treat I've ever had.
Oh, thank you. What's wrong?
Huh?
I want to start with the hot chocolate, so you don't have enough cocoa. The marshmallow, you put not enough rice, or at least in what I taste. But I love marshmallow. So to me, you know, I win here.
Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't bite it. I couldn't bite it. It's so hot.
I knew it was hot chocolate.
No, the pepper not hot. The pepper not hot.
What is it? Because I just tasted it. It's hot.
Beautiful interpretation. You know what, Matthew? Thank you.
It's not hot for the first time.
Lenny, this is what you were trying to make.
Every other time I try it, it's spicy. But it's good this time. Very good.
The chicken is not hot. It's a little.
That's for the dog. Oh, okay.
The pepper not hot, so I don't know what's hot.
Chocolates in it, you know, to make the stone on the fireplace.
It's fantastic. All the little tiny detail, candles are lighting. You absolutely nailed it. Thank you.
It's
Your hot
spicy?
chocolate looks good. There is a design.
Mine's not.
So I'm excited to try it.
Other times it'll
Let's
be
do it. Let's
spicy.
try it. Come bite it.
Look how look.
Don't be so gentle. You gotta get in there.
Oh. No, I would not do that to myself.
The Rice Krispie treats. It's a little bit heavy in Rice Krispie.
That's good.
Your Rice Krispie for me did not have enough
Nicole's is hot.
Definitely there could be a few more marshmallows in there, but melted it all together, which we saw previously was harder than expected. But
I don't need
tastes
any
good,
more.
it
She
looks
tastes
great.
fine.
Your hot chocolate could have a little bit more chocolate in it. I wanted more chocolate. It's hot chocolate, not hot something else. All right, bakers, let's step on down this way.
So look.
What a nice
Right
one.
around like the chicken.
Jacques,
Trying to let it
please do the
focus.
honors.
Of course.
Should
The
try some
winner
bacon.
is...
The bacon is definitely not spicy. The bacon not spicy.
Eleni.
Yeah!
And not the pepper either, because I tried by itself and not hot.
Because...
Unless she got seed in hers.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Jenna, tell her what she's won. Well, you are going to be the envy of all your friends because you have won a stand mixer. Yeah! Awesome. Thank you.
Look at that. Yeah, no. I don't want to do it. Take it.
Baker's cap. Oh, I love it. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. You're going to look beautiful and dazzling. Congratulations.
Good job, everyone. Let's move to door number 2.
Tell you better with doing it.
When we think of a big family holiday dinner, we all imagine a big, beautiful first course followed by a tasty little dessert.
I guess you tell you better with doing it, but I don't want to try it because I like it by itself. I just wish it was more bacon on here.
Complete with
Y'all see that?
stuffing, sculpted fondant
How good it is.
and
Oh my
cake
gosh.
Brussels sprouts.
Why did I tear this thing apart?
This cake looks difficult, but don't
Nobody
worry.
knows.
If you do, just hit the panic button at your stage.
It's so
And one of us will assist you for 3
If you
minutes.
eat like the pepper,
Also, bakers,
by itself,
normally we would
don't
give
taste weird.
one lucky contestant a helping hand button.
Okay.
But today, everyone gets
Yeah,
a
my
helping hand because each of you gets one of your own family members to assist you. Let's all act surprised like you had no
Y'all,
idea
oh my
this was
gosh.
happening. Eleni, who did you bring? This is my beautiful mother, Terry. Do you also work in this pizza restaurant? That's what they call it. What is it, a front for something? What is it? Matthew,
I was
who's
always
this
very
lovely
loud.
lady?
This is my mom,
Well-
Joanne.
Where are you from?
You're not doing that.
Dartmouth, Massachusetts.
Where's that?
Go
You're
to
pushing it
Boston.
at the hay.
Ah, I know Boston. That's the place I know. Angie, who is
yeah, I'm just gonna wash my hands though.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
Cornbread.
Do you do it from scratch?
I kind of like
You got 90 minutes on the clock.
So I have to wash my hands. So
First things you have to do
I have my
is
dad's
pumpkin
jacket on.
spice cake. Flavor it with pumpkin and your choice of spices. Beat it together, then pour it into the pan to make it until
I need
golden.
something to
Next,
drink.
I will work on my buttercream. Then assemble the dough by stacking and filling multiple layers of cakes and carving it into a broad shape.
Cheers.
And then cover it with fondant. Add detail by airbrushing, and then you can apply a little glaze to make it actually shiny like that. They will use cake to form cake ball that transform into balls of chocolate and cut more cake into cubes to become stuffing. And then they'll start fondant and modern chocolate to make a variety of roasted vegetables.
Next video might be of me playing Among Us. I might play Among Us. But I'm going to probably record off my laptop. And then send that to my email.
No. You know what you should do?
What?
Play Hero Wars on our laptop.
Is awesome and my
Yes.
is super competitive.
Yeah, it's all going to be in the same video.
Yeah, because you know, why would you make this over a little bit of time and you still got to eat that burger?
Oh yeah, so this might be like a 35-minute.
Pretty well.
I can do this together. No fat stuff.
Y'all, it's kind of good to me,
Hey Matthew and Joanne, how's it going?
But yeah, just
Be careful, be careful.
Make the damn cakes.
dang, super full. That's good. But yeah, so we finna play Hero Wars on our laptops once you down. So yeah, huh?
we starting tomorrow.
Yeah,
It's not dead.
I don't know your password.
The boss.
Well, I'll open your laptop because I don't know your password. You are fat, Chloe. Say hi, Kelly. Say hi. She's pregnant, by the way. That's why she eats a lot. So, yeah, but we not really doing nothing.
But this is my touch. You just as bad as I am.
You're not gonna put the whole thing in there.
I'm not seeing any cakes in ovens yet.
Their cake is.
Oh, it's already?
Oh yes.
How many minutes?
I don't know. What does it say?
When's it all done?
Lenny and Terry seem to be a very well-oiled machine. Matthew and his mother.
How is this?
They're a slightly less oiled machine. Antoinette and Angie.
Oh my God.
I don't know if we're gonna make this up there.
You gotta add some cream cheese to every cake. You put our secret weapon in it.
There's 75 minutes left.
Well, so I was watching Nailed It on.
I can see from here that Emily
I was
and
watching
Terry don't have enough buttercream. And that will
Nailed It on Netflix. Well, I don't always watch that, but I already watched all of their seasons, so I already know who's gonna win and who's not. But yeah, so
they never had burn on the table.
we're finna go in the room
Have plenty of clear space
and
to hold the
we
fire.
are finna get this popping. Let me stop. So we are finna get it popping. I already know your girl's pop. I'm not that stupid. You're gonna be like, who are you talking to? How you hear that? Why are you doing that? I know all her tricks. This is her camera. This is her camera. This is her camera, which is a phone. And that is my camera. So, our room is not dirty, but this is probably where our room is not that freaking dark.
Whoa.
Well, maybe, look how. We need to fix our bed. Well, I'm trying to fix my side. Wait, your camera seen that and it was cool. We got it, I'm talking. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all what I can see. Okay, so y'all, gonna stay right there. Okay, so put it on our part. Y'all get your part of the cover. Hopefully our videos don't fall. Ready? Set. I bet that looked cool too. Let me go on tablet. But yeah, so gonna get my laptop. Hey. I was just doing those. Okay, so I'm gonna play this game that we used to play in Florida, which is all of our stuff was restricted. But it's still restricted. YouTube is still restricted. It wasn't. You mean YouTube? I mean, you mean our computers were restricted, not YouTube? I said some other stuff was. YouTube is still restricted. Oh. Okay, so hold on. I have to get my laptop. Probably gonna sit toward the wall. But then I can just my tablet. Hold on. Where's my charger? I just had it. Sit. This. This. Remote. Sit down. It's really not fair. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so now it looks dark in here. Turn the light on.
Light is on.
The light is plugged up. Well, that needs to be plugged up.
It's downstairs.
Why would you take it down there?
Well, I was gonna plug it up for us to put outside. Listen. Look. I'll be here too. Look. So I'm logging in right now because she's currently logging in also.
The reason I can't really set y'all up and I don't have any light is but ew, Nicole.
What?
This looks disgusting.
Why is it? Because I need light. Or is it just your camera?
No,
Put it over here, it's still dark.
yeah, no, yours can go brighter. That's too bright. That's too bright.
Okay, so I'm gonna just turn my brightness up because I like this.
She's weird. But people be hacking stuff like that. Okay, so
That thing is white as
mine is too.
nobody has it.
I don't care. What do you need to sign in for if it's just the...
I gotta see if I have work. By the way, it's Friday, so.
Yeah, comment down below if y'all have Friday work. So, this is the game. Can I see? I don't know if it's too bright, but it's called HeroWars.com.
I don't know what level she's on.
I don't know what level I'm on either. Because it's been like 6 months.
And when we was in Florida, we was on Zoom.
Yeah, we was on Zoom. We was making we been started making YouTube. We just didn't post it. I should check.
You gonna be my captain.
No,